Hi, I'm Becky with Remodel Republic. Welcome to our latest kitchen remodel job that's just been completed. Here you'll see white shaker cabinets from one of our in-house lines, as well as accent blue cabinets for the island. We use Quartz countertops and use the same material one as a full height backsplash. Our appliances in this kitchen are all for Bosch: the microwave hood, the range, the dishwasher, and our cabinet depth refrigerator. In this kitchen, I'll show you several nice features that we included for the homeowner. One is deep drawers for pots and pans, casserole dishes, can even handle food items. We have a clear island here for a huge work surface for parties, serving, whatever your needs are for your kitchen. On this wall, we created a pantry with roll-out shelves, also in this one here. So our client has plenty of storage, their food items, accessories, whatever they need for their kitchen. We have storage above the refrigerator. Plenty of storage on the island. And as we come this way, one of the things we included was a polite spice tray. Easy access for cooking. We also have the double pull-out trash can here. Undermount sink for easy cleanup access. And as you can see, beautiful wide open space to entertain with and prepare your meals. Thank you for joining us.